Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty goes beyond the surface. Today, let's talk about a lipstick that promises more than just color. It's about nourishment, plumping, and all-day wear. Meet the Estee Lauder Pure Color Long-Lasting Cream Lipstick in the shade 420 Rebellious Rose. This isn't your typical lipstick. With claims of a 10-hour wear, full coverage, and a creamy finish, it's time to put it to the test. First things first, the shade Rebellious Rose is a mid-tone rose with a neutral undertone. It's one of those shades that can seamlessly transition from day to night, flattering a wide range of skin tones. But let's not get too ahead of ourselves. We need to see how it performs. This Estee Lauder lipstick comes in a sleek, luxurious tube, typical of the brand's high-end aesthetic. I'll admit, just holding it feels like you're treating yourself. But luxury isn't just about the packaging, right? The formula itself boasts several key benefits. It's designed to last up to 10 hours, giving you color that stays true throughout the day. It's a full coverage product, so you won't have to keep layering to get that intense color. The cream finish is smooth, with no dryness or heaviness, and it promises to plump, nourish, and condition lips. Now let's talk real-world testing. I wore this lipstick throughout my workday, and I have to say, the long-lasting formula is impressive. I applied it in the morning, and by lunchtime, it hadn't budged. No feathering, no fading, just a rich color that stayed put. The creamy texture felt hydrating, and I didn't experience any dryness, even after a few hours of wear. In fact, the plumping effect was noticeable. It subtly enhanced the natural shape of my lips, making them appear fuller and smoother. There are a few things to keep in mind, though. The lipstick does need a little touch-up after eating or drinking, but that's expected with most long-wear formulas. The nourishing and conditioning elements are great for those who typically find other lipsticks drying, but if you're looking for a matte finish or a more satin texture, this might not be your ideal match. In terms of pros, I'm all about the 10-hour wear time and the rich, creamy finish. The full coverage it provides without feeling heavy is a major plus, and the plumping effect gives my lips that soft, youthful look. On the flip side, the price point is on the higher end, which might not fit every budget, especially if you're someone who likes to reapply lip products often. Now, does it offer good value for money? Well, considering the long-lasting performance, the nourishing ingredients, and the luxurious feel, I think it's worth the splurge for those looking for a high-quality lipstick. But if you're just after something simple for casual wear, there are plenty of alternatives at a more affordable price. When comparing it to other lipsticks on the market, Estee Lauder's Pure Color lipstick holds its ground. While there are many long-wear options out there, few offer this level of comfort and nourishing properties. For those who want a lipstick that doesn't compromise on color or hydration, this one definitely stands out. The packaging is solid and feels weighty in the hand. I've found it to be durable, and the lipstick glides on effortlessly. It's clear that Estee Lauder has crafted a product with longevity in mind, not only in terms of wear time, but also the product's overall shelf life. If you've had any experiences with Estee Lauder's customer service, you know the brand is known for handling inquiries promptly. I haven't needed to reach out yet, but it's reassuring to know that they have a reputation for providing good support. As for product updates, there don't seem to be any significant changes to this formula lately, and honestly, it works just fine as is. If you're on a budget but love the idea of a long-wear creamy lipstick, you might want to consider trying something like Maybelline's Super Stay Ink Crayon or L'Oreal's Color Reach Les Nuits. While they don't offer quite the same luxurious feel, they perform well at a fraction of the cost. To wrap it up, the Estee Lauder Pure Color Long-Lasting Cream Lipstick in 420 Rebellious Rose is a solid choice for anyone seeking an all-day creamy lipstick with nourishing benefits. It's perfect for those who need a reliable lipstick that can keep up with a busy day while still delivering full coverage and comfort. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay up to date on all things beauty. Your support helps us continue bringing honest, real-world reviews. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this lipstick or have any other favorite shades, drop a comment below. Let us know what you think. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.